What's up guys, your Biglee here. A lot of you have been asking about exercise tutorial, so that's what we are starting today. As everybody does, we will start with the universal day one exercise, bench press. The most important thing about bench press is aligning your rotator cuff, that is your shoulder in proper angle and your breathing. Let me show you how it's done. Hold the bar in a comfortable position so that it's a little outside your shoulder width. You can go with the thumb or thumbless grip based on your comfort. Lift the bar straight above your lower chest line. As you bring it down, take a deep breath. Once it touches the shoulder, explode your way up, exhaling all the air out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. When you're aligning the bar to your lower chest, your shoulder is in an angle that is comfortable to push the weight, and mechanically you're in a position to push maximum load. The same exercise can be done with the dumbbell as well. When we are using a dumbbell, it gives us one advantage. It gives us more range of motion, but allows us to use a little lesser weight. Let's see how it's done. When you're using a dumbbell, make sure you give a good thrust with your leg so that you don't injure your shoulder. And press. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And a lot of people have this habit of clinging the dumbbell like this. That's only gonna end up in an injury. So never bang your dumbbells on the top. In, out, in, and out. Hope you got an insight about how bench pressing is done with a barbell and dumbbell. I'll see you with another exercise on the next episode. It's your Biglee, over and out.